how to log into MyCigna Provider account. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you log in or sign into your Cigna account. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open any browser on your system. Alright, so after you open the browser, in the search field you'll have to search for Cigna login, and after you search it, you can easily find out the official site of Cigna where it allows you to log in or sign into your Cigna account. So from here, tap on the website link my.cigna.com. Alright, so after you are in the official site of Cigna, you'll be able to see such interface. So from here, by going on the section customer login, you can easily provide or give your username and password, and after you enter your correct username and password, tap on the option login, and after you tap on that, you can easily log into your Cigna customer site. So from there you can easily log into your customer account, or you can also log into another account from the Cigna healthcare. So for that you'll have to scroll down at the bottom, and from the sections like contact us, main site Cigna.com, Cigna for HCP.com, and Cigna for employers, you can easily log into your another account also. So by doing this procedure or step, you can easily log into your customer or any other accounts from the Cigna. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.